instant that we heard that sound, why did Gene Roddenberry choose to name the Vulcan Spark? Because he too had memory recall that took him all the way back to where I'm talking from right now. And he knew that it was a spark, listen, that we saw flash, boom, and then we heard bang, and the lights was what? On. And it was for the very first time that we could see who was sitting what? Amongst us. You had white light beings who were vibrating up to a 6th density, producing absolutely no color at what? All. Pure white light. And then you had beings who were vibrating up to a, listen, 9 density, producing every color of the rainbow. Now, again, there's a difference between ether and density. Okay? Good. You have 6 ether, 7 ether, 8 ether, which determines hair texture in the what? Body. It's by virtue of the fact that ether is the chemical that is producing hair what? Texture. And spontaneous combustion is a phenomenon that they cannot explain, which is quite easily what? Explained, which is through chemical what? Imbalance. If a person goes from watch 9 ether, 10 ether, 11 ether, 12 ether, 13 ether, boom! They will literally what? Explode and catch on what? Because it's through electrical sparks that run up the spinal column, listen, that you all are afforded what? Life. It's like a spark plug in a what? Car.
So
how do I know? By design, there was 2 scientists, listen, who existed further back before time, listen, in a place called ATUN, because when, watch now, we heard the sound bang, not 1 sun was produced, but 3 suns were what? Because etheric beings were still communicating and listen, and had grown to a level of discord about the topics, which was divine what? Watch. And so the sun called ATUN was created, along with the sun called ATUN, and along with the sun called Shemsh. Well,